Hi, Phil Swift here with another amazing accessory from the FLEX family of products. This is Flex Tape Adhesive Remover. Everyone knows Flex Tape is virtually impossible to remove. Until now, with Flex Tape Adhesive Remover, just spray and instantly peel Flex Tape away. Use Flex Tape to seal windows and doors before powerful storms hit. Then you can easily remove that incredible bond to open up fast. It also cuts through sticky tree sap, nasty dried bugs, and road tar. Decals and stickers are impossible to remove, but now you can spray and easily peel them away. Even permanent marker is no match for the power of Flex Tape Adhesive Remover. Now you can remove virtually anything. Get Flex Tape Adhesive Remover and check out the entire FlexSeal family of products at FlexSealProducts.com.